This dog came so close to standing in this trap. I have two traps set at the base of both those trees. It's been raining, so I guess maybe the top of the trap has been compacted. Next day, this dog is now very, very wary of what's going on here. And we had a visit from our Goanna. This Goanna just is walking just virtually over the top of that trap there now. But you'll see in a video shortly where he actually got his back foot caught. We released this guy. Here he is with his back foot rather stressed. So we caught the big Goanna in the trap. So
Now it works.
you know it works.